Okay, hello everyone. You're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digomo here, and in this class, we are looking at the questions that came from the WAEC Mathematics exam for the year 2025, and we have been able to solve the theory part. All these questions in section A, we've solved all of them. 5 questions in section A, and we are now in section B. We are solving these theory questions one after the other. They are in the previous classes, so it will be of interest for you to access them when you subscribe to the channel. There is not too much thing to do than to click on the subscription button there, and then you also like what you are doing. Believe that our classes have been of help to a lot of people. We have 20-something thousand persons that have visited or is visiting our channel, since inception. Okay, this question number 9 is what we want to look at. It says Miss Otto spends 1/9 of her monthly salary on rent, half on food, 1/4 on clothes, and still had $195 left. How much does she earn in a month? How much does she earn in a month? Now, I believe that this question is quite simple anyway, but we are going to explain it. We are going to give detailed explanation on this question. Okay, he's talking about somebody's salary here, and you're talking about 1/9 of that salary. You're talking about half of that salary. You're talking about 1/4 of that salary. You're talking about a leftover, which is $195. So, what exactly is that salary? So that is what we want to see how we can run this calculation in a mathematical way. So I can say, let this woman's monthly salary be, let let her monthly salary be X or Y or anything you can use, any variable you can use. So for her to spend 1/9 of the salary off, 1/9 off, so we have 1/9 times that salary. Okay, and she spent half of it on food. So I say plus 1/2 of that salary times that salary is on food. Then plus 1/4 of that salary times that salary X is on clothes. And this person still have plus $195 left. All these things, when you add them, you will get that salary. I hope it's looking very sweet, right? It's looking very sweet, really. It is. So when you add all these things, you're definitely going to get that salary. Okay, so there's nothing left here. I think we've been able to do the calculation from here. And somebody can just say, hold it there, I'm going to run it down and then get the answer. So, but let's just do it. So I have x/9 plus x/2 plus x/4 plus 195 equals to x. Okay, LCM here. Taking the LCM of this, I'm working on these 3 fractions. The LCM of 9, 2, and 4 will be 36. 9 into 36 is 4. 4 times this is 4x plus this is 2 divide this is 18. 18 times this is 18x plus 4 divided 36 is 9. 9 times this is 9x plus 195 over 1 equals to x. So I will have 4 plus 18 is 22. 22 plus 9 will give me 31 x over 36. plus 195 over 1 equals to x. So let me transfer this over here. I will have 195 equals to x over 1 minus 31x over 36. Followed by the LCM here is 36. 1 divided 36, 36. 36 times x is 36x minus 36 divided 36 is 1. 1 times this is 31x. So I have here 195 over 1 equals to 36x minus 31x is 5x over 36. So if you cross multiply at this level, cross multiplying, you will have 36 times 195 equals to 5x. So let's look at what it is going to give us. By my calculation here, if you divide both sides by 5, you will have 36 times 195 over 5 equals to 5x over 5. So this can cancel this, and then I think 5, let me look at my calculation. 5 into 195 is 39. Is 39. 5 cancel itself here, 1 cancel here. Of course, 5 into 15 is 3. Remember 4 into 45 is 9. So I am going to have this takes away this x being equals to 36 times 39. So x is equals to, by my calculation, 1404. So x is, the money this person is earning is $1,404 per month. That's what the woman in this statement or question is earning in a month. Okay, so if you still want to verify, you can still go back and take 1/9 of this amount of money, half of it and 1/4 of this, and check whether the leftover is going to be 195. So, but I am pretty sure that every calculation we did here, there's no problem in it. You too, you verify that this figure we have here, all these things we did here, they also, logic is very, very, in order. Okay, so the next question we want to look at is the section, the B part of this question 9. Is when we are through solving this question, one thing I am going to do is to have a compiled video of all the solutions I have provided in a way that you can be able to access it. If you subscribe to the channel, definitely you'll be able to access all these questions, the solution to them. Okay, so we are looking at the next question, which is the 9B section that has to do with a sector of a circle of radius 6 cm sustaining an angle of 105 degrees at the center of the say calculate the perimeter, the area of the circle. So we are going to look at that. Subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends, and like what you are doing if we have been in one way or the other useful to you in adding to your knowledge in these classes. So we are in question number 9B. In question number 9B of section B. So the question says a sector of a circle of radius 6 cm sustains an angle of 105 degrees at the center. Calculate the perimeter and the area of the sector. Please, before now, we've done a lot of classes in the sector of a circle. In fact, circle and its properties. We've done a lot of classes on that. But if you subscribe to this channel, definitely you have access to all the classes we had. So many classes, over 200 classes in A-level mathematics that we have done so far. You have access to those classes if you subscribe to the channel. Please, if you have any challenge, you can also press a comment in the comment section. Those comments are important to us to take some evaluation of your level of performance and what we are doing. All right, so if you look at this question now, you see that we are talking about the sector of a circle, the sector of a circle. And if I put up a picture, a little sketch that can help us to understand what we are talking here, we are talking something that has to do with this. This is the sector of a circle. Okay, all this that has to do with this sector or this circle has been discussed in the previous classes. So you see here that there will be an angle here called theta that is subtended at the center here by this arc. Okay, then when we say the perimeter of a sector, this is a sector. The perimeter from simple explanation simply means distance around a shape. So you take this movement, take this movement, and take this movement. Possibly you should understand that the length of this arc is given by theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So when you add this and this, now you're having 2r there. Oh, so when you say perimeter of a sector, you're talking about 2r, 2 radius, this and this, then plus the length of an arc, which is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, so if you visit the previous classes, like I said, we've done a lot of work on this. The radius of this circle as given to us here is 6 cm, and the angle at the center is 105 degrees. So here we are going to be having 2 times 6 plus 105 degree over 360 degree, then times 2 times, they gave us 22 over 7, 22 over 7 times 6. So we can do the reduction there, 12 plus 6 can cancel itself here, 1 cancel 36, 6. So this is 60. Within here is 60. 5 into 60. 5 go here is 12. 5 go here is 2 and 1. So I have left 12 plus 21 times, this is 2 times this is 44. 21 times 44 all over, this is 12 times 7. 12 times 7. Is there anything I can still do here? 7, 1, 7 here, 3. Here, 3. Is it 3? 2, 2, 2. 2 into 6, 2 into 12 is 6. 2 here is 22. I can keep on going. 3, 1, 3 here, 4. So, 2 here again, 2. 2 here, 11. So we have the perimeter of the sector to be 12 plus 11. 11 in units of measurement, cm or meter. Yes, they give us in centimeters. So this will be this and this 20, 23. So this will be 23 cm. So the second part of it is the area of the sector. B. Remember this is A. B, area of the sector. The area of the sector, the area of a sector is given by theta over 360 times pi r squared. So, and we have 105 degree over 360 degree, then times 22 over 7 times 6 times 6. Okay, I'm going to consult my calculation at this time because of the time taking to do some to puncture this uh, of course, if you even look here, 6 times 6 is 6 times 6 is 36. 36 can take away 36 here. You have 10 left. And then 5. 5 here is 2. 5 here is 21. So I think we are going to have 21. 21, yes, times 22 all over what? All over 2 times 7. Yes, 2 here and 7 here. So 7 can cancel itself, 1 cancel here 3. And 2 can cancel itself, 1 cancel here 11. So this times this will give us 33 cm squared. So this is on this question 9b. Question 9b. So we have been able to look at this questions up to 9b. Please do share. I believe that this in one way or the other have added your knowledge, especially if you are preparing for the WAEC exams, okay, in mathematics. Please like these videos and share to your friends out there, and then subscribe to the channel so that you can access other classes we had before now. We are still continuing in question 10, okay, in the next class. If you follow us, you'll be able to access all these classes. We'll solve all of them, and I believe it is going to be of help to you. Please, thank you so much for being there. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for sharing to your friends.